Good morning, students. Welcome back to ICT class. This is our video class number 37. So, by the previous class itself, we have completed 7th chapter, Impressive Presentation. And what was that software? Yes, LibreOffice Impress software. So, from today's class onwards, we will be moving to another chapter. And I am going to take 9th chapter, which is video editing. And the software you are going to learn is OpenShot video editor. I am not taking 8th chapter. After 9th chapter, we will be moving to 8th chapter because 8th chapter is a new term for you, HTML, and it is a vast chapter. That's why I will be taking that chapter after 9th lesson. Okay. So in 9th chapter, most of you are very interested in video editing and you are familiar with some video editing applications in your mobile phones, isn't it? Many of you are editing some videos using some of the applications like InShot, then UCut, Viva Video, Power Director, etc. So likewise, in our computer, there are different softwares to do video editing, and one such software is known as OpenShot Video Editor. And this chapter is very simple and very interesting, and the software is also very easy to learn. Okay, so from today's class onwards, we will be starting new chapter, 9th lesson, video editing. So by the end of today's class session, you will be able to learn about
the importance of video editing and to familiarize about a new video editing software called OpenShot Video Editor and to learn about different tools which we are using in this OpenShot Video Editor software.
So shall we start today's class? Let's start today's class with some introduction topics in 9th chapter. So let's see with the first activity.
So let's start today's session with the new chapter, which is video editing. So I know you are familiarized with video editing softwares. You are using several video editing applications in your mobile phones. In the similar way, by using our system, we can edit several videos with the help of several softwares. So what do you mean by video editing? What do you mean by video editing? Video editing is the process of arrangement of videos in a suitable manner and editing and removing unnecessary parts from a video. You all know that what do you mean by video editing? We are adding some video files and we are editing. We are giving some effects, we are giving some transition, we are giving some audio, background music to that video, and we are removing some unnecessary parts from a video. So these all are known as video editing. And it also includes the process of adding some dialogues, background music, special effects, then we are providing some text to that video, etc. to the video and organizing it for a presentation. So these all are known as video editing. So in this 9th chapter, it deals with video editing. So several softwares are there in this Linux operating system. So some of the examples are OpenShot Video Editor, then Caden Live, then Kino, then PTV Video Editor, etc. So these all are video editing softwares. In earlier days, tape-to-tape linear video editing using video tapes were common. Later, with the introduction of computers and video editing software, non-linear video editing using digital facilities became popular. Thus, editing a part of the video file with perfection and speed was easily possible in nowadays. So several examples are there to do this video editing, and in this chapter we are going to deal with the software called OpenShot Video Editor software. OpenShot Video Editor software is such an easy software, and the activities which we are going to study in this chapter are also very simple. So what do you mean by OpenShot Video Editor, or what is the history behind this OpenShot Video Editor? OpenShot Video Editor is a simple video editing software, and the project was started in 2008 by Jonathan Thomas, as an American, with the aim of producing a simple and a stable video editor for GNU Linux. Within 2 years, he produced a stable version. The OpenShot Video Editor developed using Python programming language. You already have studied Python programming language. So this software is developed using Python programming language, and it supports many other video file formats. We can export this video editing or this video as MP3 or MP4 then M4V, then FLV. So any video file formats we can export by using this OpenShot video editor software. So these are some introduction part related to this chapter. Then I'll show your textbook. I know you don't have your textbook with you, so I'll show the textbook part of this 9th chapter. So this is 9th chapter, video editing software. Here you can see a part. So one student is going to prepare a video documentary by using this OpenShot video editor software. So what should be done to the video clip that you have saved in the computer to combine them in order to make a video documentary? So while doing with this software, what should be done, or what are the preparations to be done? Yes, we have to arrange the videos first. First of all, we have to add the video files, which all the video we require in order to make this presentation. And we have to remove the unwanted parts, isn't it? In our phone also, while we are editing, we are removing some part using razor tools. We can cut the video, trim the video, and we can delete that unwanted part. So we can remove the unwanted parts. Next, what will be the next point? We can include some effects and transition to each parts, isn't it? In a video presentation, we are adding not only the video but also some audio files, some picture files, etc., some slides, etc. So all these parts we can add some effects or transition to every pictures or every parts of that video. Next, what should be done? We can add some text to that video, or we can provide some titles. As an introduction part, we can add some title, and inside that video parts also we can include some text. So these all are the things should be done to the video clips while editing. So here is the first activity. What is the first activity? Let's familiarize OpenShot. So let's start with the first activity, opening OpenShot, and we can familiarize with some tools used in OpenShot video editor. So how to open OpenShot? Every sound and video files are available in applications, sound and video option. Here you can see OpenShot video editor. So let's open the software, applications, sound and video, OpenShot video editor. So here is the software. The software is known as OpenShot video editor software. Here you can see a lot of tools, a lot of options. Here you can see the tracks. Then here we can see the property and value. Here you can see effects, etc. Here, first of all, before moving on to the tools, I'll show some views of this OpenShot video editor. So go to view option, select views option. Maybe in some computer it will be in symbol mode like this. You can't see the track, you can't see the transitions, you can't see the effects, etc. So in some computers the OpenShot seems like this. So in order to change it into advanced mode, you can go to view option, select views option. Here you can see advanced view option. So click on advanced view so that you can see the tracks, transitions, effects, then here the screen, then here the imported files, etc. So go to view option, take views option, select advanced view option. So here is the first thing. Then let's start with the first activity. Let's familiarize OpenShot. In your textbook you can see the picture of OpenShot video editor, and there are several tools in that OpenShot video editor. This is a new version of OpenShot video editor, so some tools are different. So here the first tool is new project option. When you wish to start a new project in LibreOffice, Writer, Impress and all, we can see file new project option or file new option. In the similar way, either you can go to file option, file new project, or just click on this particular icon, new project option. Thereby we can start a new project in OpenShot video editor. And what is the second tool? Open project option. We can open a particular project from either home folder or school resources folder, any folder. Then here is one important tool which is save project option. After doing every activity, we can save this file, but while saving, what is the condition? What is the difference between saving and exporting? If you save this file, it will be saved in that OpenShot video editor file format. Then that file can be opened in only this particular software. So here is saved project option. So once we are starting video editing, we can save this file, and after that we can open that file. It will be get opened in this particular software itself. And here comes another important one, which is import files. When you are starting this video editing, we are opening that video, audio or image files by clicking on this import file option. Either you can click on this plus button, import file, or just go to file option, import files. So here is another important tool, import file option. Click on that import file option. It will take us to the home folder. We can open video, audio or image files. Then next important tool is export video option. We can export the video files into MP4, FLV, AVI, then M4V, etc. So we can export that video file. We can view it as a video presentation. So this is another important tool, which is export video option. So here is the toolbar, and in this part you can see some transition. So to every removed or every marked parts, we can apply this transition. To the introduction part or any part in the middle, we can apply this transitions. We are familiar with that slide transition. Similar way, we can apply transition to the video parts. Here are some effects. Here are some effects: blur option, then brightness and contrast, chroma key. Some effects are there. We can apply different effects to our video. So these all are activities described in your textbook. So I'll show at that time. So now this is transition, this is effects, and important part in this video editing software. Here you can see tracks: track 4, track 3, track 2, track 1, track 0. So 5 tracks are there. If you wish to add another track, you can click on this plus button, add track option. Here this plus button is import file option. Here this plus button is add track option. If you click on this add track, you can see another track got obtained, track 5. So this is track option, add track option. And this particular tool is another important tool, which is eraser tool. From the name itself, what is the use of eraser tool? We can cut the unwanted part. We can remove the unwanted video parts. So for that we are using eraser tool. Then next tool is add marker tool. Suppose I wish to cut from the middle part, we can mark that part using add marker tool. Suppose here is a video file, I wish to cut from this part, I can mark that part by using add marker tool. Then I can again click over here. If you click over here, this part will be also get marked. So that is the use of add marker tool. And in this track you can see one red color line with a blue color head. It is known as playback head. When you play a video, this part will get starts moving. So this is known as playback head. We can identify the parts to be removed. So we can identify the parts by using playback head. So here is the important tools in OpenShot video editor. And if you open one video file, the video file we can see in this part, audio file we can see in this part, image file we can see in this particular part. If you click on show all option, we can see all this 3 in one screen. So here is the important tools used in OpenShot video editor. Now we are moving to next activity in your textbook. Let's start a video project. How to import one video file and how to save the project in file menu. How to save the project to a particular folder. So how to add imported files or how to add some project file. For that, click on import file option. If you wish to add one video file, click on this import file option. Here you can see several folders in home folder. From that, open school resources standard 9. Then here the video file is available in this web page resources video. I am going to open one video related to school Kalolsavam. So click on open button. So select the particular video file, then click on open button so that you can see the corresponding video here. If you wish to add one picture folder, again click on this import icon, open school resources standard 9, presentation, any image, open images, click on any image, click on open button. So here I have clicked on this show all. Because of that, here we can see video image files together. And if you click on this video option, we can see the particular video. If you click on this image option, we can see the corresponding image. If you click on this show all button, you can see all together. So here we can add several video, image and audio files by clicking on import file option. And then how can you include this particular video to this track? Nothing is there. Just click and drag this particular video file to the track like this. So several transitions are there. So we can apply different transition to this part. We can apply different transition. So that here you can see the transition. See, here you can see the transition. If you wish to add some effects, you can add the effect. Then after doing the activity, save the file. So click on save project option. Now our video is not ready. That's why I am not clicking on this export video button. I wish to add some more parts in this video. So that click on save option, save project option. So that they will ask you to select the folder and give the file name. And now another important thing is the saved file format or the unique file format of OpenShot video editor is what? OSP. OpenShot video editor file format is OSP. Give a suitable file name. I am going to give Kalolsavam and select suitable folder. I am going to select students work folder class 9. Click on save button. So here a file got saved. I am going to close this file. Then select students work folder from home folder class 9. See, here you can see the OSP file kalolsavam.osp. If you wish to open this file, just double click over here. See, it will get opened in OpenShot video editor. Now we can edit another video files here. So this is activity 9.2 in your textbook. Let's start a video project. Import the file. You can see that file in video, audio and image tab. We can add video transition or effects to that video. Save that project in file menu. Select your folder. Give a name to that project. Below that you can see one box while selecting a project profile. What do you mean by that? Project profile video. We can change the quality. So how to change the quality? File, choose profile option. Here the standard version is HDV 720 24p. Here is the standard version. You can select any other quality. You can include new profile from this drop down icon. Normally in OpenShot video editor, the profile will be HDV 720 24p. If you wish to change that quality of that video, you can select from this drop down icon. Hope you all have understood about the introduction part of OpenShot video editor, how to add importing files, how to add that files to the track, then several tools which we are going to deal in this OpenShot video editor software. So that's all for today. In today's class, we have discussed about only some introduction part in new chapter video editing. The first topic was video editing and OpenShot video editor. I have already shown what you mean by video editing and OpenShot video editor by using slide presentation. If you wish to copy that notes, you can copy that notes in your notebook. Then next activity was activity 9.1. Familiarizing OpenShot video editor. So several tools are there which we are going to use in this chapter. So first tool is new project option for taking a new project. Next button is import button for importing project files. Export button is used to export the video into different file format like MP4, FLV, etc. And next tool is add track button in order to add new tracks. Then next tool is eraser tool in order to cut the unwanted parts. Playback head is used to identify the part to be removed. One red color line with a blue head, that is known as playback head. Last tool is add marker tool in order to mark the part to be removed. So these are the important tools which we are using in OpenShot video editor. Then second activity was activity 9.2. Let's start a video project. For that, first of all, we have to import the video. So import required video and audio files to the project by using import button from the toolbar, or go to file menu, select import option. This can be seen in video, audio and image tabs. Video transition, video and audio effects are arranged in transitions and effects tab respectively. So from that tabs we can add video transition and effects to the video. After all, click on file, save option to save the file. Give a suitable file name, select a suitable folder in order to save the file. So these are the first and second activity which we are discussed in today's class session. Here is the homework for you. Try to find out the answers and write it down in your notebook.
Hope you all have understood about a new chapter and the first two activities in OpenShot video editor. So next activities we will be discussing in next class session. Okay. So study well, take care, thank you and have a nice day.